Today, we will see another tricky question. Express 84 as the product of its prime numbers and write it in index form. It is meaning that you have to find prime factorization and express it in index form. Please go through the below steps to find prime factorization. Step 1. Start dividing 84 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 84 exactly, we get 42. Again, start dividing 42 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 42 exactly, we get 21. Again, start dividing 21 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 21 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 21 exactly, we get 7. Observe here, 7 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Got it? Since 7 divides 7 exactly, we get 1. As per step 2, please stop here since 1 is reached. Step 3. Collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3 and 7. So, the prime factorization of 84 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Got it? Also, the prime factorization of 84 in index form equals 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Got it? In the similar way, please solve the below questions. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.